I'm here in the Green Hills Shopping Center, and tonight, I will be watching Bella Magbag at the Music Museum concert by request featuring Dessa, Troy Laureta, DKT Jam, and the DK Talents. Bago mag-start, kakain muna tayo. Fruit salad, tuna, A&W root beer, cheese dog. Look, ang laki. French fries. So, akit na tayo mapunta sa Music Museum. First time ko manood ng concert dito, kaya excited ako makita ang venue. Nababasa niyo ba mga nakasulat sa handrails? Ito ang iba't ibang klase ng mga kanta. May kundiman, sarsuela at iba pa. Hello fans! Hinihintay na ako ng mga tao dito. May display dito ng mga lumang recorder. Meron din dito flag na display ng Apple Hiking Society. So, dito tayo sa balcony para mas kita natin ang buong venue from above.
So, nandito na kami sa loob ng Music Museum, just waiting for the show to start.
Picture taking muna with my relatives.
Is Bella Magbag. Bella has just recently finished her successful North American tour with the Minute Pop Kids. She's been a member of this talented group for 2 years, and she'll be continuing her tour later this year. Please welcome DK Talents. Laureta. This was your playlist live on stage. This is by request.
So, tapos na yung concert. Uwi na kami. Ngayon, nag-isip ako kung kakain pa ako. Wala, hindi talaga ako pwede kumanta. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Guys, hindi ko kaya. Kaya dumaan ako dito sa Uncle John's para kumain. Uncle John's. Nag-order ako ng fried chicken with rice at giant hotdog. Pocari Sweat. Yummy talaga itong hotdog. Of course with rice. Then fried chicken. Again with rice. Yum talaga itong hotdog. With rice pa din. Sarap talaga yung fried chicken ng Uncle John's. Rice is life talaga. Ending my meal with a refreshing Pocari Sweat. Thanks for watching.